Onboarding Templates in KettleiQ. In this short training, I'll show you the reusable step-by-step playbooks a rep follows after closing a new account and how required steps surface on the manager dashboard. Let's take a look. You'll find this under CRM, Onboarding from your dashboard. Onboarding templates are step-by-step playbooks a rep follows right after closing a new account, the checklist that makes sure a new customer gets set up the same way every time, no steps forgotten. Each template is a set of ordered steps: shadow a call list, review territory accounts, complete a first sample drop. Laid out in the sequence, a rep should work them after landing the account. Steps you mark required drive the manager dashboard's onboarding overdue alert. So if a rep is behind on setting up a new account, it surfaces there instead of quietly slipping. That's how a manager catches a stalled onboarding early. Templates are read-only here for now, editing lives in settings, but this is where you see the playbook and track each new rep's progress against it. Adjust the template in settings so it stays the standard for future hires.